Welcome on Easy Learning. Now we are going to cover next question of BZ 102. The question number first, distinguish between the following. Now we are going to cover question number 4. It is a count noun and a mass noun. This is very easy question. If you would have studied the chapter or part of a speech noun, which the noun has the 5 parts, in which there are the 3 nouns, they are known as the countable, and 2 they are known as the uncountable, and this is why they are known as the mass noun. So let's start explaining them. Proper noun, common noun, and collective nouns. Okay, these 3 nouns are classified into mass noun. Okay, so they can be counted and changed from singular into plural. Okay, actually here the word has been written into in a wrong order. Here it would be not the mass noun, it can be countable noun, because mass noun is different, so it would be countable noun. Okay, so proper, common, and collective. All the proper nouns are countable. You can count any people, place, or thing here. Common is also the same, and collective is also the same. They can be counted and they can also be changed from singular into plural, like monkey to monkeys, person to persons, axe to axes. Okay, how can you do them? By using some rules like adding s, es, ies, or other ways. Example, mass to masses, monkey to monkeys, victory to victories. Now it is known as the mass noun because they can't be counted. Nouns which cannot be, here b is left, which cannot be counted or changed from singular to plural are under mass nouns. There are 2 kinds of nouns there under the mass noun. They are abstract nouns and material nouns. Okay, for example, water, oil, liquids, flour, and grains. It is also given that sometimes some nouns are converted into plural but meaning is completely changed from singular. For example, when we add s or es in these mass nouns, then the meaning is completely changed. Like water to waters, it means not water, sea. Wood to woods, it becomes forest. Iron to irons, it becomes iron chains. Sound to sand, sand, sand to sands, it becomes desert. Like other words, there are like ruins, ruins to ruins, the destroyed place. Okay,